Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable spatial audio for your earbuds EDIFIER NeoDots. You have to start by open Settings and then go to Connected Devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. And then scroll down just a bit. Right here we have spatial audio. But you cannot find this feature at the settings, at least, on your Apple device, and also not all Android phones have this feature in the settings. So you may haven't it. Now, to enable it, you need to tap at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. And if you want to disable it, you need to also tap one time at this slider. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!